Well, Bob, a lot of people looking forward to that colder
Yes,
weather.
yes.
I know I don't know where any of my jackets are, so
I
I'm
know.
going to have to go
I've
search for
got
those.
sweatshirts, jackets. You know, the thing is for Florida and Floridians, it's not extremely cold, but
Right.
it is going to be temperatures basically you'd see in December and January as opposed to mid-November. So
Okay.
it'll be a welcome break to all of us that had to deal with the summer weather for so long. And surfers are out already. This is at the Venice Jetty, and Cindy Desmond getting this shot. And I can tell you the waves are going to get bigger and bigger, and that means a high surf advisory, and not quite, but we will see rip currents in effect as a result of the frontal boundary moving through tomorrow. Once those winds switch around to the northwest, the wave heights will start to pick up a little bit as well throughout the day tomorrow. So keep that in mind. Now, the rain is not all that impressive right now. There'll be showers scattered about through the overnight hours. Like we said, it looks like up until sunrise tomorrow. There's even a chance for a few passing showers once the sun rises, say after 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. That front will move through, and then our winds will start to really pick up. Some storms, some pretty heavy rainfall into Pinellas County now, also Anna Maria Island. This is moving basically off toward the west-southwest or west-southeast. West-southeast, can you believe that? It's moving to the east-southeast. Some showers and storms now in Arcadia, some pretty heavy rainfall right there. Moving off to the north. Northport, a little bit of light rain. That rain was a little heavier earlier, but now that is starting to weaken. That's a good sign. That means we're not going to see anything too rough overnight. A few showers are possible here and there, and maybe even some rumble of thunder at times with that line that's moving in from the Gulf of Mexico. The big story is the snowstorm, which is causing all sorts of headaches now over southern portions of Illinois, Indiana. There's freezing rain and sleet occurring and throughout Kentucky, making dangerous traveling conditions right there through Kentucky and into Ohio. This is all a winter storm and winter weather advisory through parts of Indiana, Ohio, and into Kentucky tonight. And then the front extends all the way down into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, this is the prefrontal trough basically that we're seeing out here. The actual cold front is still well behind that, and it will move through tomorrow. I mentioned the rain pretty heavy now in Tampa and Pinellas County near Pinellas Park, and now entering into Anna Maria Island. Elsewhere, things are fairly quiet in Venice and Inglewood, and looks like even into Northport. Not a lot going on there now, but this will make its way on shore throughout the morning hours. Rainfall pretty impressive inland, up to 2 inches in some areas near Wauchula, stretching down toward Arcadia. The GFS forecast model showing that snow continuing to move on through the northeast and causing all sorts of problems throughout the afternoon and evening on Friday. Looks like they could see some big problems there with travel across much of the northeast and the northern New England states. Temperatures will stay pretty constant throughout the day in the low 70s all the way through the midday, and then start to drop once those winds pick up out of the northwest. As far as current temps go, look at this, already down to 41 in Pensacola, 56 in Tallahassee, 83 still in Key West, and 80 now into Miami. As far as lows go, it'll be a rather warm start tomorrow for us here along the west coast of Florida. Much colder, though, near freezing in Pensacola tomorrow to start today, and 47 in Tallahassee, 73, though, into Daytona Beach. That front will be through by midday tomorrow. That's when you'll start to see some cooler temperatures. Winds will be out of the northwest at 15 to 20 knots. A small craft advisory is in effect. And as I mentioned, rip currents also a problem for beachgoers tomorrow. Temperatures staying in the low 70s running in through Friday. Look at this cool start on Friday morning, 52. Doesn't warm up much through the day. We start to get a gradual warming trend, but still below average on Sunday and Monday of next week. Jacqueline?
All right, Bob, thank you.